Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn indefinite integral. Indefinite integral, that is antiderivative or primitive of. Here we studied differentiation. So just reverse process of that is the integration. Integration means what? Antiderivative. So here if derivative of the function fx is equal to g of x, let derivative of function fx is equal to g of x, then fx is said to be primitive of gx or antiderivative of gx or indefinite integral of gx. Here derivative of fx with respect to x, so that is gx, then this gx is integration of gx with respect to x, that is equal to what? Fx, and here we write this c is called as a constant of integration. ये constant of integration क्यों है? See, for example, we know derivative of sin x. See, derivative of sin x is cos x. So, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Then sin x will become antiderivative of cos x or indefinite integral of cos x. But derivative of sin x is cos x. So, derivative of sin x plus say phi, that is also derivative of this constant is 0 and derivative of sin x cos x. So again this derivative is cos x. So in place of phi, अगर ये phi के जगह कुछ भी हो तभी that constant derivative will be 0 and we are getting derivative is equal to cos x. So therefore integration of cos x, we will write integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x and whatever constant, so that we write what? C. So this c is a constant of integration. C is a constant of integration. Abhi, for example, so you will derive formulae. We know derivative of x raised to power n plus 1 and ये n plus 1 constant है. So this n plus 1 will take outside the derivative. जैसे कि हमने डेरिवेटिव में पढ़ा है 1/n+1 दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट, सो वो हम बाहर लेते हैं डेरिवेटिव. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू पावर n+1, फिर x रेज टू पावर n+1 का डेरिवेटिव होगा n+1 इंटू x रेज टू पावर n+1 - 1 दैट इज n. फिर दिस n+1 and n+1 is getting cancelled and finally we'll be getting derivative of x raised to power n+1 upon n+1 that is equal to x raised to power n. So derivative of this fx is equal to gx. Then antiderivative of this, that is indefinite integral. This is integration sign. And here we write dx. So this dx means what? With respect to x, we are integrating. And the evaluating this, the process of finding is nothing but integration. So this is with respect to x. This is integrand. And the process of finding this is nothing but integration. So this is what integration x raised to power n dx is. See, derivative of this function is x raised to power n. So integration of x raised to power n is x raised to power n+1 upon n+1. Here one condition is that this n should not be equal to -1. Here this n is not equal to -1. For n is equal to -1, we have different formula. Derivative of log x, that is equal to 1/x. So 1/x means x raised to power -1. So as derivative of log x is 1/x, therefore integration of means इसका antiderivative ये होगा. So therefore by definition integration of 1/x dx, that is equal to log of x and constant of integration c. अभी x रेज टू पावर -1 भी लिख सकते हैं आप, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन x रेज टू पावर -1 dx log x plus c. So either x raised to power -1 dx is equal to log x or 1/x dx. This you can write also integral dx upon x is equal to log of x plus c. So therefore it is n is not equal to -1. We have a separate result for that. that is this x raised to power minus 1 dx. Then derivative of x is equal to 1. So integration or antiderivative of 1, that is 1 dx is equal to x plus c. This is another formula. Integral 1 dx is x plus c integral x raised to power n dx x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to minus 1. Integral 1 upon x dx is log of x, as derivative of log x is 1 upon x. One more result will do. Derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. Therefore antiderivative of this, that is integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan of x plus c. Some selected formula I wrote because we are taking problems on that formulae. Whichever problems we are doing, so that formulae we will write here. So all formulae we will not write. So we do exercise 3.1. So before going to solve that exercise 3.1, we should know some rules on integration, indefinite integration. So that rules we will write. Rules क्या है देखो, integration of sum of two functions, मतलब integration of f of x plus g of x. So you can understand it as a rule. Integration of f of x plus g of x dx it is equal to integration of fx plus integration of gx. That means we write integration of fx plus integration of gx dx. यहाँ पे अगर माइनस साइन है तो here also there will be minus sign. फिर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ k into f of x dx, where k is a constant, so that k we write outside the integration sign, and this will be k into integration of f of x dx. So that constant we should write outside the integration sign. Sum of two functions, then integral of two functions. Difference is there, then difference will be here. So in exercise 3.1 we do the first question. So first question is we evaluate exercise 3.1, question number 1, sub question is 1. So we evaluate or integrate x cube plus x square minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. We integrate this. So इसका मतलब क्या है, इंटीग्रेशन के साइन में रखना है आपको. So integrate with respect to x. Integrate with respect to x, so we put in the integration sign with respect to x. Then as we said here, यहाँ पे sum of two functions है या more than two functions may be there. So in that case we separate the integral. We separate the integral like this: integral of x cube dx plus integral of x square dx minus is there x dx integral 1 dx. Then see integral of x raised to power n formula, integral x raised to power n dx, that is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equal to minus 1. यहाँ पे आपका n जो है 3 है, यहाँ पे n 2 है, यहाँ पे n क्या है 1, and another formula is integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. So for this we use integration of 1 dx, which is x plus c. So simple result we use that x raised to power n dx. बेसिक फार्मूले है ये. सो बेसिक फार्मूला अप्लाई करके 3.1 एक्सरसाइज इज जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस और रिविजन ऑफ द फार्मूले. So it will be n plus 1. N plus 1 means what? 3 plus 1, which is x raised to power 4 upon 4 plus x square. So x cube upon 3. Then minus sign is there. Minus x is there raised to power 1. So it will be x square upon 2. And integral 1 dx is x plus c, constant of integration c. Then third question we do 3 times 3 sec square x minus 4 upon x plus 1 upon x root x minus 7. We integrate this with respect to x, मतलब we put in the integration sign. फिर बाद में sum of two terms or difference of the terms is there. So we write separate integration of this term, then integration of next term, plus integration of another term, and minus integration of the last term. So write this in integration sign. हमको integration sign में लिखना है इसको. So it is integration of 3 sec square x minus 4 upon x plus 1 upon x root x minus 7 dx, and we separate it. So separate it. So if we separate it, we use that constant wherever constant is there. अगर constant है तो उसको integration के साइन के बाहर लिखना है आपको. जैसे 3 कांस्टेंट है, सो दिस 3 कांस्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन के साइन में बाहर ले आएंगे. 4 will be outside, 7 will be outside. So that is equal to 3 integration of sec square x dx. 4 is constant again, this 4 constant. So minus 4 integration of 1 by x is there, 1 by x dx plus integration of this x root x, मतलब x raised to power 3 by 2. Now x raised to power 3 by 2 in the denominator, तो ऊपर आएगा न्यूमरेटर में माइनस होगा, x raised to power minus 3 by 2. This is what x raised to power 3 by 2 in denominator. So it will goes in numerator minus 3 by 2 dx, and minus 7 and integration of 1 dx. Now we said here derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x. Formula integration of sec square x dx will be equal to tan of x. So this formula we use here, integration of sec square x, that is tan x, 3 tan x minus 4, integration of dx upon x is equal to log of x. So integration dx upon x, that is equal to log of x, then plus integration of x raised to power n dx, x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, or n is minus 3 by 2. So x raised to power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1, and minus 7 into इंटीग्रल dx is x. अब ये सबका मिला के एक ही बार कांस्टेंट लिखना है हमको, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हमने. सो कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन c वंस वी विल राइट, एक ही बार लिखना है आपको. सो कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन वी रोट 1 c. Simplified further, 3 tan x minus 4 log of x this minus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 upon 2 plus x raised to power minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 minus 7x plus c, which is 3 tan x minus 4 log x, ये होगा minus 2 upon root x denominator, x raised to power minus 1 upon 2 means 1 by root x, that is 1 upon x raised to power 1 by 2, that is root x minus 7x plus c. So this will be the answer of third sub question. Separate the integral. We use basic formula that sec square x integration is tan x, dx upon x, that is log of x, x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, this 1 dx is x, and for all these together once we will write the constant of integration c. C is the constant of integration. We are going to see this formula dx upon root x. See integration dx upon root x, frequently ये formula हम use कर रहे हैं. So dx upon root x is what? 2 root x. How it comes? Upon root x means x raised to power 1 upon 2 denominator. So when it goes in numerator, ये होगा x raised to power minus 1 upon 2 dx, and we are using x raised to power n formula. So x raised to power n formula we are using. ये होगा x raised to power minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Then this 1 minus 1 upon 2 is 1 by 2, x raised to power 1 by 2 and denominator also 1 by 2 plus c here, constant of integration. ये 1 by 2 in denominator it will be 2, and this x raised to power 1 by 2 is root x plus c. So remember this formula, integral dx upon root x, that is equal to 2 root x plus c. We attempt now this fifth sub question. Fifth sub question ये 3x cube minus 2x plus 5 upon x root x. Separate करेंगे हम integral. So in this way we separate. 3 constant है, so 3 constant will be outside the integral sign. अभी x cube upon x root x. So x cube upon x root x, then minus 2 constant x upon x root x plus 5 constant 1 upon x root x dx. Dx we write, here also we write dx. So this x is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे 1x is getting cancelled, it is x square and upon root x. तो इसका टोटल इंडेक्स क्या होगा? x square upon root x. So 2 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 3 by 2. So total will be x raised to power 3 by 2 dx minus 2 times integral of dx upon root x. We apply this formula, dx upon root x is 2 root x plus 5 into dx upon total index will be x raised to power 3 by 2 x root x, that is x raised to power 3 by 2 in the denominator, it will goes in the numerator minus 3 by 2 dx. Then apply formula integral x raised to power n dx, which is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this formula we use here, 3 times x raised to power 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 times dx upon root x, use this formula 2 root x plus 5 into x raised to power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 and plus c. This is x raised to power 3 into x raised to power 5 by 2. 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 4 root x plus 5. See, minus 3 by 2 and 1, which is minus 1 upon 2. Here it is minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 into x raised to power minus 1 upon 2. Here minus 1 upon 2 and plus constant of integration c, which is 6 upon 5 x raised to power 5 by 2 minus 4 root x and minus here 10. X raised to power minus 1 upon 2 will write denominator, that is root x plus c. So this will be the answer. In next video we will continue with question number 2 of this exercise. Thank you for watching.